Today we're using a fiber laser engraver to engrave photo-style images on a stainless steel signs. First, turn on the fiber laser engraving machine and make sure the system is ready for operation. Next, activate the laser and adjust the focus according to the surface height of the stainless steel sign. Now we import the photo into the laser marking software. For this tutorial, we start with a portrait photo of a boy. Resize the image to match the stainless steel sign, then position it correctly inside the marking area. Then adjust the engraving parameters. For photo engraving, proper speed, power, frequency, and image processing settings are important. Before engraving, use the red laser preview to check the position and size of the photo. This helps make sure the image is aligned correctly on the sign. After confirming the preview, start the engraving process. The fiber laser builds the portrait line by line, creating a detailed image on the stainless steel surface. Here's the finished result. The photo is engraved directly onto the stainless steel sign with clear details and smooth shading. We also tested more images, including a kitten, a puppy, and another portrait. Each image requires proper processing and parameter adjustment to achieve the best visual effect on stainless steel. Fiber laser photo engraving is suitable for custom portraits, pet memorial signs, personalized gifts, decorative plates, and stainless steel artwork. Need to engrave photos on stainless steel or other metal materials? Contact HeatSign for a sample test.